Hello, my flourishing friends. Oh, I'm so excited. Today I have a card prepared for you, a really funny one. We're gonna use some fire as well. Because what we're gonna do is I have here a simple card. We're gonna pop a little monster on here with the help of googly eyes and a cupcake and a candle and a nice speech bubble. And then we're gonna burn the card up here so it looks like the little friend here blew the candle off a bit too late, and then the speech bubble is gonna say oops. So yeah, that's just for an overview in a short for you guys. So yeah, let's just dive in. What I would like to begin with is actually to cut the card off here a bit. How we're gonna do that is just take a part of the corner off and just do like uncoordinated lines. We're gonna burn it later, but I just want to get rid of this paper first. Yeah, to get an orientation where everything goes, I'm gonna pop the little monster on first. I just used some nice funny paper. You can use whichever one you have on your hand. Let's put the eyes on. It's alive! Yay! And I would like to do the speech bubble. There we go. Let's pop it on the card as well. As you see, I used paper scraps for this, so I don't waste white plain paper. And you know what? Let's give this fella a little mouth so it does look like he really said oops. There we are. Super cute. Okay, do the fun part. The cupcake. We're gonna come in a bit. Before I glue this on, I want to do the inside of the card real quick. For that I have prepared, let's put this aside. For that I have prepared 2 paper straps of the same paper like the monster is, and 2 white strips to go on top. What we're gonna do with those, we are gonna glue the white tags on top in the middle. One, trying to make it straight. But I mean, even if it's not straight, it's also good. It's a funny card. So, little mistakes can happen. Again, for you Bob Ross fans out there. Now I have here my little avocado pen. You already know it. I love it so much. And we're gonna spell out happy birthday, ... make a wish. There we go. Happy birthday, make a wish. And now we're gonna glue this right here, like this. There we have that. I really like it. That's all for the inside. Okay, you ready to burn some things? I am. So if you have this birthday candle, you will pop on the cake, on every birthday cake. And we're gonna light it real quick. If the lighter lights. It doesn't light. That's good when you want to burn things. Let me get back to you in a sec. Seriously guys, I tried this lighter for 10 times. Like, I have to make sure it works on camera. Yeah, screw this one. Now I got a mini one. Isn't that cute? And oh, look at that, it works. What I want to do is just burn the candle down a bit so it really looks like it got burned. I'm gonna let this cool off for a second and put it aside. Now here on the side, it didn't fit in the picture, but I have a metal plate because I didn't want it to burn my my table down. What I'm gonna do now is holding the lighter here on this side and burn it a bit and blow it out again. Let me do that real quick and I'll show you what I have. It is really smoking like crazy. But it's fun. Let's continue. This card is on fire. Okay. Just wanted to show you how it looks like, what I'm doing here. I'm gonna blow it off. And it's okay when it doesn't burn down evenly or anything. Okay, now I have ash everywhere. But okay, worth it, hopefully. So now I burned the card. I'm gonna leave this ash here so it looks more realistic. Now we're gonna take the little candle. What I'm gonna do with it, oopsie. Yeah, I'm gonna put it right here and fix it down on the bottom with a bit of clear tape. Like so. Now I'm gonna pop the muffin sticker over it so it looks more 3D. There we have that. Of course, you could do another stripe of clear tape here, depending on how good it fits and what you want to do with it, but this is pretty steady. Yeah, I like it. Edge everywhere. So yeah, there we go. That's already the card. I really like it. All burnt. It's a fun crafting. It doesn't cost much. Please be careful when you do it because you handle fire, and paper, as we all know, burns really fast. So yeah, if you're a bit younger, please do this supervised. Yeah, I hope you liked today's video and enjoyed the card, and I can't wait to see you in the next birthday video, because May is birthday month. Okay, have a good one. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Lots of love, happy smiles and hugs. Your Lisa.